Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Outlook from repeatedly asking for your password. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're in and your emails have loaded, you're ready to adjust the settings that will fix this annoying password prompt issue. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This will open up your main file menu where you can access various account and application settings. Once the file menu opens, shift your focus to the right side of the screen. You'll see an account settings drop-down menu there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new window specifically dedicated to managing your email accounts. In the Account Settings window that appears, you'll see a list of your configured email accounts. Look for and select your primary email account, the one that keeps repeatedly asking for your password. Click on it to highlight it, and once it's selected, click the Change button located above. This action will open the Account Properties window, which gives you deeper access to configure how Outlook handles your email credentials. Within the Account Properties window, look for and click on the More Settings button. This opens up additional configuration options that aren't immediately visible in the standard settings. Once the new window opens, navigate to the Security tab at the top. This section controls how Outlook manages your login credentials and authentication process. In the Security tab, you'll find a section labeled User Identification. This is where the key setting lives that's causing your password prompts. Look carefully and you'll see a checkbox that states Always Prompt for Logon Credentials. This checkbox is the culprit behind Outlook constantly asking you for your password. Make sure to turn this feature off by removing the check from the checkbox. By disabling this option, you're telling Outlook to remember your credentials and stop prompting you every time. Once you've unchecked that box, click OK to save and retain the changes you just made. And that's it. Outlook should now stop repeatedly asking for your password, allowing you to access your emails smoothly without constant interruptions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.